In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix video called failed on WhatsApp. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the problem, there is three ways. The first way is you have to open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode and enable it, then disable it. That's the first way and the easiest way. The second way, if it's not working for you, you have to go to the apps manager on your phone, go to the apps and right here search for WhatsApp like this, click on it, and now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just click on this option here, it's called for stop, and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to allow all the notifications. That's the second way. The third way and the last one is you have to go to the Play Store and then go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. After that, click here on update if you don't have the latest version. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.